Do you know the 10 deadliest plants in the world? These plants are responsible for 3 million deaths every year. The number 1 plant on this list can kill up to 6,000 people instantly with just one seed. Plants were the first living beings on Earth and play a crucial role in regenerating life for humans and animals. However, some of them have a dark and deadly side. In today's episode of Top Curiosities, we'll explore the 10 most lethal plants in the world. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so you can join us on this fascinating journey. In 10th place, we have the manchineel. Travelers might have encountered this tree, also known as the tree of death. It is one of the most dangerous plants on the planet, with a toxicity 10 times more potent than cobra venom. The manchineel can reach heights of 10 to 20 meters, with a straight trunk, gray bark, green leaves, white flowers, and red fruits. At first glance, it looks like an ordinary, even beautiful tree, but its interior harbors a deadly toxin called phorbol. This toxin can kill humans and animals, with the potential to cause death to 20 people instantly. Phorbol is an extremely potent toxin that, once inside the body, destroys cells, causing necrosis and inflammation. Touching the bark, leaves, or fruits of the manchineel can result in intense pain, high fever, and even death. If the leaves come into contact with your eyes, they can cause blindness by dissolving the eyeball and atrophying the optic nerve. In 9th place is the Cerbera odolum, also known as the suicide tree. This common yet highly toxic tree belongs to the same family as oleander. It can reach heights of 4 to 8 meters, with white flowers and a pink center. Despite its attractive appearance, the suicide tree contains a deadly substance called cerberin, capable of causing death with just 1 milligram. Its venom is up to 10 times more potent than the pufferfish's tetrodotoxin, and after consuming the fruit, toxicity manifests within 3 to 6 hours, blocking calcium ion transmission in the heart, potentially leading to death. In 8th place, we have Nerium oleander. Although it is a very beautiful ornamental plant, it is one of the most poisonous in the world. All parts of the plant, including roots, stems, leaves, flowers, and fruits, contain toxic compounds, mainly cardiac glycosides, which can cause arrhythmias and heart failure. Ingesting about 10 leaves can be fatal for an adult. This plant is also known in Chinese TV series as a substance that can cause miscarriages, as its toxin disrupts embryonic development. In 7th place, we have the betel nut. This plant is known for being one of the largest causes of oral cancer in China, with around 460,000 new cases annually. Chewing betel nut is a common habit, but it can increase the risk of developing oral cancer by up to 20 times. The plant has been classified as a Class 1 carcinogen by the World Health Organization since 2012. In 6th place, we have datura, or angel's trumpet. This perennial plant with large trumpet-shaped flowers contains alkaloids that can cause hallucinations, shock, and death if ingested in quantities exceeding 5 milligrams. Although it has medicinal properties, its use is restricted due to its high toxicity. The Sandbox Tree, also known as the dynamite tree, is infamous for its explosive seed dispersal mechanism. When the fruit matures, it undergoes a sudden and violent explosion, hurling seeds at speeds of up to 240 kilometers per hour, 150 miles per hour. These seeds can travel distances of up to 100 meters, making the tree both a botanical curiosity and a potential hazard to those nearby. The explosion is powerful enough to cause serious injury to humans and animals alike. Beyond its dramatic seed dispersal, the sandbox tree is also highly toxic. Its sap, fruit, and leaves contain potent toxins such as ricin, which can cause severe convulsions, intense mental confusion, and even induce shock if ingested or if the sap comes into contact with the skin. In some cases, the effects can be fatal. The tree's bark is covered in sharp, spiky protrusions, adding to its dangerous reputation. Despite these risks, the tree is sometimes cultivated for ornamental purposes, but caution is always advised when in proximity to this hazardous species. The Gelsemium, often referred to as heartbreak grass, is a plant with a dark and storied history in various Chinese cultures and myths. Known for its use in ancient poisons, this plant is incredibly toxic. Even a tiny dose, just 5 milligrams of its toxins, can be fatal within 30 minutes of ingestion. The toxins in Gelsemium target the nervous system, causing paralysis that progresses rapidly, leading to respiratory failure and death by suffocation. The plant's alkaloids, such as gelsemium and gelseminin, are so potent that they can cause severe dizziness, convulsions, and ultimately, complete shutdown of the body's vital functions. This plant's deadly reputation has earned it a prominent place in folklore and historical accounts of assassination and intrigue. Tobacco is one of the most widely recognized and cultivated plants globally, yet it's responsible for an astonishing number of deaths each year, over 1 million, to be exact. The primary culprit is nicotine, a highly addictive alkaloid that not only drives the habit but also leads to severe health issues. Nicotine causes the release of dopamine, creating a sense of pleasure that quickly turns into dependence. However, the consequences are dire. Long-term use of tobacco is directly linked to a host of deadly diseases, including various forms of cancer, most notably lung cancer, heart disease, stroke, and chronic respiratory conditions. The tobacco plant, while economically significant and culturally ingrained in many societies, remains a leading cause of preventable death worldwide. The lily of the valley is a plant that captivates with its delicate beauty and sweet fragrance. Its small bell-shaped white flowers are often used in ornamental gardening and bridal bouquets, symbolizing purity and innocence. However, this charming plant hides a dangerous secret: it is highly toxic. Every part of the lily of the valley, especially its leaves and flowers, contains cardiac glycosides, which can disrupt the heart's rhythm. Ingesting even a small amount can cause symptoms ranging from nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea to more severe effects such as dizziness, confusion, and irregular heartbeat. In extreme cases, the toxins can cause cardiac arrest and death. Moreover, the water in which the plant is kept can absorb these toxins, making it hazardous to drink or even touch. Despite its lethal nature, the lily of the valley is also used in traditional medicine, though only under strict control, due to its potent effects on the heart. The castor bean plant is a study in contrasts, being both a source of life-saving medicine and a deadly poison. The plant is best known for producing castor oil, a substance with numerous medicinal uses, including as a laxative and in skin care. However, the seeds of the castor bean plant are extremely dangerous, as they contain ricin, one of the most toxic substances found in nature. Ricin works by inhibiting protein synthesis in cells, leading to cell death. Even a single seed, if chewed and swallowed, can release enough ricin to kill an adult human. Symptoms of ricin poisoning include severe abdominal pain, vomiting, diarrhea, and organ failure, leading to death within days if untreated. The extreme toxicity of ricin has made the castor bean plant a subject of interest not only in medicine but also in discussions of biological warfare and terrorism. Despite its dangers, the plant continues to be grown for its oil, with strict precautions in place to avoid accidental poisoning. Fascinated by the deadly and mysterious plants of the world? Want to explore more intriguing topics? Make sure to subscribe to Top Curiosities. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Let's uncover the world's secrets together.